Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and I've got the beautiful Kiehl'S advent calendar. It's in collaboration with Made by Radio, who designed the packaging. Yeah, I really like it. I haven't opened it up yet, so I don't know what the inside looks like, so I thought I'd save it, as I usually do, to unbox with you. Let's have a look. There we go. Ta-da. It is gorgeous. It is really pretty and quirky. So the cost of the advent calendar is £99. It has 24 doors. If you sign up for their newsletter, then you will receive a 15% off code, which is what I did. So I got 15% off this. I'll pop the code that I used down below in the description, just in case it's the same code for everyone. But if not, and you really want this advent calendar, then yeah, just sign up to the newsletter and a new code will be given to you. So as well as that code, you'll find links to this advent calendar and the Kiehl'S website, and if I can find any other discounts or anything like that, you're welcome to take a look down below. So let's get on to open this up. It is so beautiful. I don't want to wreck it. It is gorgeous. So it's little, oh, with this being the first time I've looked, I had it in my head that it was one of those calendars where, which annoyingly, only annoying because I can't do it properly, where you have to put your fingers in to rip open. It's not, it's all little boxes. Obviously you know this because I showed you first, but it's all little boxes. So cute, so cute. Okay, day number one over here. The reason I went for Kiehl'S is because it's a brand I'm not that familiar with. I've tried their night oil, I've tried their ultra day cream. Yeah, really impressed with what I have tried, but there's so much more. So much more. Day number one. Oh, it's got information about it on here. Midnight Recovery Omega Rich Cloud Cream. And 14 mils here. So I've tried the Midnight Recovery facial oil, which is gorgeous, really lovely. So yeah, something completely new for me. That is sealed, so I'm not going to be opening this up because I have got other products on the go that I'm using, and I'm just trying to be really strict. I want to swatch, I want to share as much as I can, but when it comes to skincare, I'm going to be a bit strict. But yeah, so we've got a Midnight Recovery Omega Rich Cloud Cream. Day number two. Ooh, it's just going to take me a while to find all these because, yeah, there's just so much going on. Oh, here, right in front of me. This is a powerful strength, line reducing and dark circle diminishing vitamin C eye serum. And there's 3 mils here. I wish it had more information about the product, about what it's supposed to do, what the benefits, or just a little bit of information on the back there, but it doesn't have anything. And because so far I've pulled out samples, they don't have any info on the back except for the ingredients. Don't like the sound of that. Day number 3. Over here. This is a calendula serum infused water cream applied to clean skin in the morning and night. This is a calendula serum infused water cream with micronized calendula petals and calendula flower extract, and it's 7 mils. There. Oh my word, it smells amazing. It does smell amazing. Oh wow, look. It's a big hole in there. I really hope we have larger sizes because £99 for an advent calendar, as we all know, is really pricey, but I'm excited, but I'm a little bit nervous as well. Day number 4 up the top here. It's another little sample. Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and there's 4 mils here. So this is the oil that I bought. I bought this on a plane. My very first trip with my friends abroad for the weekend back in 2017, I think it was. And yeah, I bought the full size on the plane as I had some euros left over, and it is really nice. Aldi Liqueur brought out a dupe for it as well. Come on, you want some bigger sizes? Day number 5, looking like a slightly larger box. Yes. Got something bigger. This is the Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil, and there's 40 mils here. This is better. For sizing, I mean. Yeah, that's a nice size. I expect minis, deluxe minis, sometimes a few full size. It'd be lovely if it was lots of full sizes in these advent calendars, but yeah, when it comes to samples, it depends on how many there are. It depends. But what can I tell you about this then? Nothing. Oh, this is hard to read. It just tells you all about the ingredients. That's it really. Is there anything on there? Just tells you how to use it. But yeah, it's a botanical cleansing oil. Day number 6. If you've tried any of these products, please let me know what you think of them and what your favourite Kiehl's product is as well. This is a super multi-corrective cream. Visibly firms, lifts, smooths, boosts radiance, moisturises, evens texture and enhances healthy complexion. And there's 7 mils there. And that hasn't got a lid on it. So multi-corrective cream. Day number 7. Where are you? Oh, up here. This is an ultra-facial oil-free gel cream for normal to oily skins, 24-hour hydration and shine control. And there's 7 mils here. That sounds really lovely. So it's a oil-free gel cream, 24-hour hydration, and has shine control. I can get really shiny, so that might really help with that, because I noticed in some of my pictures like this area really stands out. Like I haven't got any Botox or fillers or anything, so what you see is natural. When I'm really shiny and sweaty, this area really stands out and it just looks all liney and dimply, and I don't like it. I'm not at the point where I want to change it, have Botox or anything, because I'm a little bit scared, but I don't like it, so I'm thinking mattify that area and then it won't show up in photos. That's what I'm thinking anyway. So that was day 7. Day number 8. Over here. Avocado Nourishing Hydration Mask. Will it even be enough to cover my face? I don't know. There's 5 grams here. That is so small. That is super tiny. A one-use try, isn't it? Yeah, so that's day number 8. Day number 9. Down here. Oh, this is looking a large box. Ooh, I've tried this before and I do really like it. This is the Ultra Cleanser. And we've got 30 mils here, so this is better. Gentle liquid formula that cleanses without over drying or stripping skin for all skin types. This mild cleanser, and also they tell you information so I can share it with you, whilst the samples don't. This mild cleanser is specifically formulated with a sugar-derived glycoside foaming agent to thoroughly cleanse skin and remove makeup without over drying or stripping skin of its natural oils. I do really like that from memory. I have tried it in the past. Day number 10. Can't see it. It's there. It's right in front of me. That took me ages. You won't get to see. Obviously, I'll edit a heck of a lot out. Because this would make a very, very long video. This is Daily Reviving Concentrate. And there's 4 mils there. Would this be like a vitamin C serum? I don't know. I'm going to have to look that up. Day number 11, up here, larger boxes. It's starting to get exciting now when I see larger boxes, because it means we have larger products. This is Body Fuel, all-in-one energizing wash for hair and body, a cleanser for men. Oh, this is good, 30 mils. So something for my husband there. All-in-one, everything, does everything. You can take this one on holiday with him. Oh, it smells nice. That does smell really, really nice. Something for the men there. Day number 12. Here. This is quite heavy. We've got a larger pot. This is a creamy eye treatment with avocado. So what did we have before? Was it an eye cream with avocado? No, it's a mask. It was a face mask with avocado. I think so anyway. There's 14 mils here and it says the creamy preparation with avocado oil gently moisturizes the delicate eye area. Our unique concentrated texture does not migrate into the eyes. Yeah, okay. Oh, I'll show you what it looks like first. See, sizes like this, I don't mind because, yeah, it's still small. It's sealed. I'm going to leave that as it is. But yes, we've got a creamy eye treatment. Day number 13. Larger box again. Ooh, we've got, this is another product for the men. This is a facial fuel energizing scrub, skin buffer for men, and there's 15 mils there. So an exfoliator. Okay, day number 14. Oh, yeah. And we've got an ultra facial toner. This is for all skin types, and there's 40 mils here. Yeah, great size. Can I tell you anything about it? No, nothing really. No, it's just got the ingredients, but yeah, it's a facial toner for all skin types there from the Ultra range. Day number 15 down here, and we've got Creme de Corps. I think that's what it is. This is 30 mils. Is it a body cream? I don't know. I don't know. Oh yeah. I'm assuming it is. It feels like it is. Hasn't really got a scent, which is weird for a body cream, but then you might want an unscented body cream. I don't know, it could be a moisturiser. Tell me here, how do I use it? Apply after a bath or shower, or any time as often as necessary. Yeah, it's a body cream. I was right, it's a body cream, but it's an unscented one. It feels really nice on my hand. It's really nice. Day number 16 up here. And we've got a Ultimate Strength hand salve, all day care for severely dry active hands, formulated for the driest, most active hands. This heavy duty moisture treatment is a thick, rich formula offering all day care and protection. And there's 30 mils here. Oh, it feels so nice. My knuckles are dry as usual. Oh, it feels so good. It's got like a eucalyptus scent to it. Yeah, happy with that. Day number 17 down here. A retinol skin renewing daily microdose serum with a precise daily strength concentration of pure retinol, peptides and ceramides. And there's 10 mils here. And yeah, I can't really tell you anything else about it. No. It just goes on to telling you how to use it and to make sure you use an SPF in the morning. So there's that. 18. Looks like we are definitely hitting the larger sizes now. I think the start of the advent calendar got me worried. But yeah, the box shape gives an idea of what we're going to receive. We've got a Kiehl'S lip balm, #1, formulated with squalene and antioxidant vitamin E. Our lip balm comforts, softens and moisturises dry lips, and it tells you how to use it. It's been a classic since 1969, and there's 15 mils there. And I've never ever tried it. So yeah, another thing to put in my handbag. Day number 19. Oh, down here. Slightly smaller box, but it feels quite heavy. Oh, it's fine. We've got a large pot. This is a Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask with Amazonian white clay. It intensely purifies to minimise pores, and there's 14 mils here. I've actually got this in my room. We've got a hallway that I've sort of converted it into my beauty room where all my YouTube stuff is and all my makeup and skincare products. And you might have heard me say that I'm being very strict at the moment, so I am only allowed to use products on these 2 particular shelves. I'm not allowed to touch any from anywhere else, and this is in the shelving area where I'm not allowed to touch. It's only because I need to use what I'm using to save waste. There. But yeah, a Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. I'm sure it's the same one I've got. I'm sure. Only a few more to go. Day number 20. We got something in its own packaging, so this must be full size. This is a powerful strength line reducing concentrate. 12.5% vitamin C, which is really good, and hyaluronic acid. Clinically demonstrated to decrease appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and improve radiance and textures. And there's 15 mils here. So even though 15 mils is quite small, this must be a full size as it's in its own box. I don't know. See, lots of information. It says apply morning and night before your moisturiser. Okay, I really like the sound of that one. So yeah, happy. Day number 21. Where are you? Oh, 21. Wow, look at the bits inside. This is Calendula Herbal Extract Toner. alcohol-free, made with whole flowers and pure extracts for normal to oily skin types. This effective toner is formulated with select herbal extracts to gently cleanse and soothe normal to oily skin types without the use of alcohol or harsh synthetic drying agents. Our calendula herbal extract toner may be used to soothe and improve problem areas. And there's 75 mils there. It's a really good size. But yeah, can you see all the bits inside? That's a decent size. Really happy. Day number 22. Up the top here. They're getting bigger. They're getting bigger towards the end. They start off small with tiny samples and then they're getting larger as the advent calendar goes on. We've got an ultra facial cream, which I've tried and I do really like. I've tried this a few times. There's 28 mils here, 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula for healthy looking skin with glacial glycoprotein. So yeah, so I've got a larger size. I've only ever tried a tiny, the tiny mini pots that we've seen earlier on in this advent calendar. So yeah, really, really happy with this. A really nice cream. Absorbs nicely into my skin. It doesn't have any effect with any of my other skincare. Yeah, a really nice cream. Right, don't let us down now, Kiehl'S. Don't go down to smaller sizes. We got day number 23. Day number 24 is there. But where is 23? Oh, down the bottom here. Okay, yeah, scrap everything I've just said. Now we're back to a sample, but this is a Super Multi-Corrective Eye Zone Treatment. We've had a few eye creams. I think this is our third, isn't it? I think we've had an avocado one, we've had a vitamin C one, and now we've got this multi-corrective one. It just says apply brow bone, eyelid, outer corner and under eye. And there's 3 mils there. There you go. Day number 24 then, the last box of the advent calendar. Is it a showstopper? We got a face wash. This is Calendula Deep Cleansing Foaming Face Wash with calendula flower extract for normal to oily skin types. And there's 75 mils here. So again, a really nice size. Yeah, really, really nice size. It just says this rich gel formula activates with water to create a creamy, dense foam that gently removes impurities without stripping skin of its essential moisture. And then it goes on to tell me what's inside. So those are all the products inside this 24-day advent calendar from Kiehl'S. I've popped everything back inside there and I might keep it for December. Because I haven't been able to do that with any of my other advent calendars. I've just, normally I keep one calendar ready for December, even though I know what's in it. But yeah, my thoughts then. Beautiful calendar, absolutely stunning design. It doesn't seem that there's a lot of variety. We had a few different eye creams, we had a few different cleansers, but I would have liked to have tried like different serums or different masks. I think we had one mask which was tiny. Do you remember that tiny one, like 3 mils? So I would have liked to have tried more masks. Facial sprays. Do they do facial sprays? Or SPF? I'd love an SPF. Yeah, it just seemed to be lacking a little bit in variation for me. There's a lot of products here. It's 24 products, so there's a lot there. I'd have a clearer idea if I think this advent calendar is worth it or not if I had all the products laid out in front of me. But I don't think I will buy one next year. I think I would rather save my money and maybe buy little sets in larger sizes. I'm not as excited as what I'd hoped I'd be, if that makes sense. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? What do you think of the products in this calendar? Did you get one last year? How do they compare? Do you agree with me? Or do you think, what are you on about, Claire? It's an amazing calendar. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.